All right, so everybody wants to have more money and be a success. And I always say it, people have two problems. It's their waistline and their wallet. The thing is that people are still, they got it confused. And this is what I want to put out there is they're still trying to do shit. People are still trying to do when I'm saying we gotta be. Instead of doing, we must become on a daily basis. Create your habits and your habits will create you. It's about attaining the characteristics, not the skills. The skills are easy. I just want you to know, making money is black and white. Making money is easy. Showing up for yourself and having the characteristics and having the confidence is everything. Those are the internal attributes that are gonna help success just fall around you. So are you doing shit or are you becoming shit? So everybody wants to be successful. The motherfuckers who want financial success and they're buying lotto tickets and they're buying scratchers, dog, that's so low level. That's not how it works. You gotta put in you gotta earn it. You gotta put in the internal work, and the internal work is your daily program. You don't rise to your goals. Like one day you're not gonna just wake up, you're like, well, I'm 35, yeah, where's my $1 million? Where's my body at? Where's my confidence? You gotta earn that shit daily, and it just compounds. Like one day you're gonna wake up and you're gonna be like, fuck, I've been putting in work, and it's only been 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year. And you're like, damn, I'm really turning into that person that I admire, that man that I needed when I was young. And you're just really that person. But imagine if you did that for 3 years, 5 years. That's what these guys do. They master one thing. This is what I see. A lot of young entrepreneurs, a lot of other entrepreneurs, just in general, they have shiny object syndrome. And I've had it too, where you're trying to fucking do 5, 7, 10 things, and you're like a fucking stockbroker, you're an entrepreneur, then you have a day job, then you're a personal trainer. It's like, fuck, just master one and get really, really good at it and do that shit for 10 years relentlessly. That's how you fucking get success. And that's just the bottom line. Instead of acquiring assets, everybody wants to acquire assets. They want to be like, oh, I want stocks, I want houses, I want to invest. I'm like, how about instead of you acquiring assets, how about you become the asset? You become the asset. Are you valuable? Are you valuable? People get compensated based on their value that they bring to the world. If you have money issues, if you have money problems, take a look in the mirror and ask yourself, how much value am I bringing my boss, my job, the world? If you want to make $1 million, help 1 million people. And that's just the fact of the matter. And that's what I'm trying to say is become the asset. And how do you become the asset? Well, you read more, you wake up early, you create non-negotiables, you get your body in check, you get your waistline, get your wallet, and you write it down, and you have non-negotiables they're unwavering and it's relentless. You do it day in, day out. Like, I live different. I do this shit daily. I know what I am. And that's what validates me. That's the thing that people are getting twisted. They're still trying to do shit, but I'm like, dude, dog, have you ever, y'all like have the quotes out there, the law of attraction quotes and all this law of attraction stuff. It's like, don't you read it? Aren't you reading it? It's about becoming it. The only way you become it is by living it daily. In all reality, it's not so much about acquiring the skills. All right, the skills are important. If you want to make more money, of course, you need business strategy. You need the skills. You need the blueprint. But it's EQ over IQ. I much rather have EQ than IQ. Emotional intelligence. If you lack confidence and you lack self-esteem and you don't believe in yourself, your reputation with yourself is still broken, oh shit, don't matter what. You ain't even gonna get started on your business because you're too fearful. You're too scared to even start. Man, if you lack the confidence to even pick up the phone and call somebody to be like, hey, I have this service, or I just started this business, or hey, XYZ. If you lack the confidence, you're not even gonna pick up that phone to get it started. Another thing is a lot of people get this wrong when they want to make more money and they're trying to start their business. They're putting the business strategy first when they're not even good at being themselves in the beginning. So you have to be good at you first, and then the strategy comes second. And that's the thing. They're trying to say automate and delegate. Automate and delegate. It's like, dog, like that shit comes later. When you master yourself and you have confidence and you believe in yourself and you have passion and you have conviction, all that shit is easy. Making money is easy, guys. I'm telling you, it's black and white. It's this for that. Provide a service, provide a solution, and then reap the benefit, reap the reward. What's hard is battling them demons, battling lack of self-confidence. I know what it feels like. That's what it feels like. That's the job. If you're trying to make more money, here's a common thing. Stop trading time for money. I'll give you an example. So I own a gym. Started it in 2015 when I was 26 years old with no money. I did personal training. So I was training anywhere from 6 to 8 hours per day, 1 hour sessions with every person. So the thing is, in between sessions, what was I doing? I would go to my closet, which was like my break room, and I'd take a little bit of break because I only had 30 minutes. So what in those 30 minutes was I doing? I was eating, I was resting my mind for the next session. So there's a difference between working on your business and working in your business. I was working in my business, and that's what people are getting confused. If you're too busy working in your business, when the fuck are you gonna have time to work on your business? Getting everything dialed in where you can scale it, putting people in positions. If you leave your business, you're the main mover of that business, you don't really have a business. So if I stepped out at this time, right? I'm doing personal training. If I walked away and I got sick or I died, oh man, St. Fit doesn't exist because I was the business. But now we have personal trainers in place. We have front desk staff. We have salespeople. It can run without me because I put that in place. So that's the difference between working in versus on your business. It's good to do both. You got to do both, and you have to learn how to do both. But I knew, man, I got to step back and work on creating a system. Even so for like GASMONEY. So GASMONEY is my personal brand. A lot of people have personal brands out there, and I get it. It's no knock to people who have personal brands. But if you died or if you stepped away, your business is done. Work on yourself daily. Just be relentless. Really write that shit down. What do you admire? Acquire what you admire. Now, get yourself a mentor. For me, I had a mentor come to me when I was 15 years old. I was lucky. It was like God sent. I remember going to his house early in the morning. I'm like, yo, because I knew he was a baller. Like he literally multi-millionaire. And I remember him telling me, he's like, Mike, you think I'm a whale? He's like, I'm just a little shark. There's whales out there. I'm like, damn, this is crazy. I remember sitting there in the morning because he was a big time like investor, long-term investor. So it's early and I have my cup of coffee and I'm watching him and I see his account, his laptop is open and I see all the fucking stocks, all his funds and shit. And I'm just like, oh, I want to see like how much, like this is the first time I've ever seen like 9 zeros in a row. Like I was counting all the things. He was like, oh, this is just one account. And I remember seeing like 3 million. It was like 6 million, 7 million. Oh, he was like, oh yeah, this is just one of my accounts. But anyway, long story short, the point is that he put me on game. That's what books do. They're that bridge. That's what mentors do. They're that bridge. Is when people join my program, I'm like, first of all, drop the ego, be a beginner again. Grab a book. Success leaves clues, and they're all in the books. Success leaves clues, they're all in the mentors. Success leaves clues, they're all in the videos. Go fucking watch them videos. You're either on the way or in the way. And that's what I'm saying. Get out the fucking way. And I hope this helps. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's fucking get this shit. It's too easy. 2022, you should be valuable. Make yourself valuable. Let's get it.